Hey, what's up everyone? Todd G here, and in this Internet Income System review and bonuses, can you make $100 a day with affiliate marketing video? I'm going to address a top question. Can you really make $100 a day with affiliate marketing? But before I answer, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the like button below. And when you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to access an awesome bonus package when you decide to partner with me and sign up to the Internet Income System review with my link below this video. Okay, so before I answer the question, can you really make $100 a day with affiliate marketing? I want to take a little bit of time and talk about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a referral-based business where you earn a commission when you refer someone to a product or service. You get a special affiliate link that is coded to you, and when someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission, aka you get money. Now, affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the best and easiest business model for people to start making money online, especially newbies and beginners. You don't have to worry about all the headaches that business owners and creators face around creating products, customer support, product fulfillment, and all of those hassles. All you really need to do is to refer people to a product or service with your affiliate link. Once they click on your link, they are coded to you, and if they buy something, you get a commission. Now, there are tons of companies that have affiliate programs. Companies like Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, and the list goes on and on. Now, these companies absolutely love the affiliate marketing model because they can get hundreds, thousands, and even tens of thousands of people to promote their products, and they don't have to pay anything unless these affiliates refer someone that buys something. So actually, affiliate marketing is really a mainstream practice, and having thousands of quote-unquote commission-based affiliates promote your products for these companies as commission-only affiliates just makes good business sense. Now, not all affiliate programs are created equal. For example, the Home Depot, Walmart, and Amazon pay less than 10% commissions, mostly less than 5% commissions. So let's just say you referred somebody to Walmart and they buy a $100 air fryer, you would earn less than $5. Sounds fantastic, right? Maybe not so much. So let's bring it back to the question, does the affiliate marketing internet income system actually work? The affiliate marketing internet income system is the fastest way to make money online with affiliate marketing, hands down. Why? Because everything is done for you. All the pages, the systems, the funnels, the tracking, and all of the hard techie stuff that scares most people. Also, instead of measly 1 to 10% commissions, the internet income system pays out 100% commissions. And they pay instantly and directly to you. Instant payments of $100. Now, there's truly no better way to start making money online every day. You get paid immediately and directly to your account. There's no waiting weeks or even months to get paid like many other affiliate marketing programs. So the next biggest question is, but how do I get people to sign up for the internet income system? This is another great question. First, the Internet Income System is rolling out a new traffic rotator. The Internet Income System will send all active members traffic from ads that the company places on various platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Now, how cool is that? I mean, the Internet Income System is sending you high quality leads on their dime. Super cool indeed. Secondly, the bonus training provided by Chris Record and Atlas Academy, worth over $2,000, teaches you all about ways to get people to see your link and sign up under you. Now, Atlas stands for Affiliate Traffic Leads and Sales, and that's exactly what Chris Record teaches inside of the Atlas Academy. Now, if you don't want your face to be out there or you're scared to be on camera, I get you. But it's no problem. There's a whole academy on faceless marketing. There's also another entire academy on viral clipping and using OPC, aka other people's content. Now, other modules include AI Marketing Academy, Paid Marketing Strategies, Affiliate Marketing Academy, etc. Now, this is fresh and current training that has been proven to work from 8-figure earner and marketing legend Chris Record. It's the best online training available, especially for beginners and people that don't want to put their face out there or are scared to be on camera. Now, make sure you click the link below to get all the details about the Internet Income System review and bonuses, and also all the details about the amazing bonuses worth over $2,000 with the Atlas Academy review. So to wrap this up, to answer the question, does the affiliate marketing Internet Income System actually work? Well, the answer is 1000% yes. The Internet Income System has paid out over $670,000 in just the past 6 months. But as with anything, making money online and making money with affiliate marketing takes either time, money, or both. If you have more time than money, you will need to learn the skills to produce the 3 C's. Create content/attention, capture leads, convert sales. Now, 8-figure earner and marketing legend Chris Record teaches you how to do all this with the Atlas Academy training modules. If you have more money than time, Atlas Academy also has awesome training on paid marketing and how to generate traffic, leads, and sales with paid traffic. Make sure you click the link below to get all of the details about the Internet Income System review and bonuses, and also get the details about the amazing bonuses worth over $2,000 with the Atlas Academy review. Now, one final note. Once the Internet Income System gets their paid ads dialed in, they will share the data so that you can create similar ads that are producing results right now. Chris Record will provide training on the exact strategies that are working now so that you can duplicate the results. Okay, that's it for this Internet Income System review and bonuses. Can you make $100 a day with affiliate marketing video? Take care, and I will see you in the next video.